Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Storage and USB. And select your SD card right at the bottom. Tap on the three dots and go to Settings, where you will find Format option. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done this, or you don't want to, you can tap on Erase and Format. This will automatically begin the process, and this only takes a couple of seconds, at which point it is completely done. So let's click on Done, and there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.